Hi friends, my name is Monit Bayani. I am from Kiran Rubber Industries. We are into manufacturing of rubber sheets for waterproofing purpose for roofs, terraces, basements, swimming pools, etc. for the construction industry. We primarily entered into contact with TranZact just about last year, where we had problems for inventory, process flow, raw material, BOMs, etc. We needed a software, a good reliable software which has a backend of Tally, and it worked perfectly fit. It was perfectly fit with Transact. It was user friendly and solved all the problems that we majorly had. One prime solution that Transact provided us was with the production module and the inventory part, which were co-related and connected to each other. Also helped us with barcoding. The Transact team is very helpful, and they know a lot about implementation and will help you the step by step in a very thorough way of how to implement these things. And they are very friendly, and the pricing is suiting enough for a manufacturing company or a trading company to absorb that cost and run fluently. The backend support is extremely well, so that even if the problem for the staff, they can approach and they can get the problem solved directly with the support as well. So I strongly recommend Transact. Thank you.